Hello my friends, my name is Joshua Lee. I'm a property investor for more than 7 years. Like many of you, I'm a property lover. Normally, people would say that property is a brick and mortar business. But I would like to share with you, property is actually a people business. And now you may ask me, why? Let me ask you, in a property investment, who do you deal with? First of all, you deal with agents, isn't it? Now I can share with you, over the 7 years of property investment, I have dealt with numerous property agents that become my friends along the way. Do you know that because I keep a good relationship with them, I managed to get a lot of good deals firsthand on the ground from the agents itself. Build good relationship with agents. Treat them nice. They are people just like you. Secondly, who do you deal with after you sign the booking form? The next person you have to deal with are bankers. Now, who are the bankers? Bankers, do you know that they also have their KPI they have to achieve in their bank? Now, we as a buyer, when we deal with them, we need to build a good relationship to make sure the banker will fight on your side. Because if the banker willing to fight for you, they will go all the way to get the approval done to get the best rate and the best product for you. Build good relationship with banker. Number 3, you are dealing with lawyer. Now, I personally deal with an investor lawyer who are in law field, but at the same time, she is a property investor. Now, why is it important to do so? Because if I deal with a lawyer that is also an investor background, he or she can relate to my investor perspective, and we can deal a lot of more things, and it can cover a lot of clauses that protect investor like you and I. Property is a people business. Now, if you like my sharing, like and share my video and click the link below to learn more.